I'm going to pull my green screens down behind me, and you're going to see what's actually behind me. All right, and this is how good the cam link is. You ready? So I can pull these screens down and just watch. Just watch. Da-da-da-da. That's what's actually back there. Just a regular looking room. I'm going to pimp it out with some lights and all sorts of awesome stuff later, but that's what's actually back there. Having an amazing green screen can be an opportunity for you to insert yourself on top of your background to do demo content and stuff like that, like I'm doing here on this live stream, right? And then watch how easy it is to roll up the green screens. Let me just show you how the green screens look. Here. Switching to my phone, you see how they're on the ground right there? Right there and right there. And I can just pull them and roll them up. All right, watch the magic happen again. Are you ready? Watch the magic happen. It's pretty cool, right? Watch. As soon as I pull the green screen up, it'll make the background like appear like magic. And this is all real time. This is not a video. This is live. That's how good these green screens are. Check this out. Whoa! All right, let's do the other side. Whoa! 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 There you go. Elgato green screens, man. They're freaking great. I got 2 of them. Here, let me show it to you. I got 2 of these. Now that I'm green screened, I can actually show it to you. So I've got both of them on the ground down here. I've got little uplights going on them. And as you can see, I've got them extended almost to the ceiling. And I've got a little gap here in the middle between them, and I have little LED uplights that shine between these 2 green screens. And I've got those behind me, so I have a super wide green screen shot. I love the Elgato green screen so much. I bought 2 of them. What else can I tell you to buy these freaking green screens if you ever wanted a green screen? I guess I would tell you this. This is honest. I've recommended these to probably like 40 clients. Wall Street traders, business professionals, CEOs. Last week I set up 2 clients with these on consulting calls. 0 of those clients have ever been dissatisfied. You can stand up while using them if you are under 6 feet tall. If you're under 6 feet tall, it works. But if you're taller than 6 feet, you're going to have a hard time with these. But here's the best part, right? It's got the hydraulic lifts in the back of the green screen. So when you pop open the case, you go, and then you pull it up. It holds it in the exact spot you want it to hold it in with these green screens, which is really cool. So I really, really like these green screens for that reason. They advertise that they have premium fabric. It is true. This is not BS. So a bunch of green screen companies and stuff advertise that they've got the premium green screen. Nah, they don't. Elgato does. Theirs are the best. I've tried out competitors. Elgato has the best green screens. They just do.